In this video, I will show you how to remove Capcut Watermark from video. So this one is relatively easy. You just need to head over to your Capcut and for this case, create a new project. So I'll head over and then create a project right there. And then once it's done loading, I'll just need to do the necessary things that I need to do right here. So for example, on the end of this case, we have in here a CapCut ending. So we have in here the ending for CapCut. You can just head over and click on that and then click onto this delete option that you can see right here. Now, if you're looking for the CapCut watermark that appears on the whole video, what you can do in order to avoid that is to just click onto this export page and then make sure to export it into the actual TikTok. And don't worry because it will save into your gallery before it will be posted on TikTok depending on that. So you don't need to post it to TikTok. It will be actually automatically saved in your gallery watermark free. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.